Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to verify account without a phone number on Discord. So this is going to be a step-by-step process. Make sure to follow till the end so you don't miss a single point. So it is actually quite simple. Now if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can do that as well. So you need to simply open your browser and open Discord and tap on do not pay. Then you are going to be selecting the burner phones tab to find Discord which you need verification from, and you need to create a temporary number. So once you easily create a temporary number, you're going to be heading over to view my text after requesting verification code. So basically you can utilize a temporary code to create your authentication instead of using your own phone number if you do not own one. So that could be easy hack for that. And yeah, so I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. If you do not have any type of phone number, you can use a temporary. There are a lot of sites that are going to be offering. So I've gone through all these questions myself and spent some time to get the most effective solution for you guys. So you can easily use a temporary number to get the verification code, and once they do, your account will be created and you will pass that verification and authentication section. So yeah, I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. If it does, you can consider subscribing to our channel, and also stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.